I send Morse code on a left-handed iambic cure with my right hand. I found other people do this. It's rare, but this is just the way I learned in the beginning because nobody showed me how to do it, and it works for me. It's a little awkward sometimes if you run into a situation where you can only use a right-handed cure. Here we go. Again, my dits are on the right side, dots are on the left. That's the opposite. As if you were right-handed, you would do just the opposite of that. This felt comfortable for me. I can send as left-handed as well as right-handed, but this method works best for me.